Hi, I just wanted to highlight to you as a carpet cleaner, at Steamaster, we shake our heads sometimes and just cannot believe what some of the other carpet cleaning equipment and chemical companies charge for their stuff. We wholesale carpet cleaning equipment, accessories and chemicals directly to carpet cleaners Australia-wide. We don't sell crap. We only sell the best quality and the best brands from Australia and the USA. We did a comparison test today on the 4 products that nearly every carpet cleaner uses, namely a portable carpet extractor, a hose, wand and upholstery tool. On average, you can save anywhere between 23% to over 50%, as you can see on this table. We offer free delivery for orders over $97 to Australian capital cities and most major regional centres like the Central Coast and Newcastle in New South Wales, the Gold Coast and Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Geelong and Wodonga in Victoria and more. On our website, you can go to any product and hit the Calculate Shipping button and enter suburb and postcode to see if you are in the free shipping zone. It's that easy. If you live outside our shipping zones, we offer flat rate shipping for most carpet cleaning accessories to all regional areas of Australia. Our aim is to deliver the best quality products at the best prices with free shipping to carpet cleaners all over Australia.